Hey, welcome to America Makes Game Day, once again here from Rapid plus TCT 2019. We're in downtown Detroit at the Cobo Center, and at this moment we have Melanie Lang from Formalloy, who is a member of America Makes, and Melanie's the co-founder of Formalloy in San Diego, outside of San Diego.
That's right.
And the great thing about what Melanie's going to talk to us about is that Formalloy won an award this morning at during the keynote address. So
That's
tell us
right.
about what that was. That was amazing. That was some great stuff.
Yeah, it was a great honor this morning. We accepted the award for the innovation auditions.
Right.
So we had a chance to pitch to the entire audience our newest technology, and by audience vote we won. So thank you to everyone in attendance that voted for Formalloy.
Well, tell us about the innovation because I was blown away by it when I saw it. I was like, this is really incredible what you're doing. Tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. So we do directed energy deposition, also known as laser metal deposition or direct metal deposition. There's kind of a lot of terms being thrown around right now. They all basically mean the same thing. So it's a blown powder system.
Right.
So with that, we invent the equipment and the systems for that technology.
Okay.
So our newest innovation for this is an alloy development feeder.
Okay.
So instead of your standard feeder, which would typically be between 1 and 3 liter single hopper feeder,
Okay.
we have one material.
Right.
We've developed a powder feeder that works on a revolver style, so a rotating table,
Okay.
with 16 miniature hoppers that are between 15 and 20 milliliters each.
Okay.
So for alloy development, it really helps because you only need a very small amount of powder,
Okay.
and you can deposit them with metal deposition very quickly.
Right into the melt pool.
Right
and
into
I'm
the melt pool.
forming my alloy
That's right.
as I'm building my part.
That is absolutely right.
Right. So 16 different hoppers, potentially 16 different materials.
That's right, on each feeder base, and you can have multiple feeders on each system.
Oh, okay. So it scales then.
So
right.
it scales
Right.
for very large material development activities.
So an advantage of this would be I don't need a bulk or large volume of an alloy to test it out, or so I could make smaller increments of what I need in order to do my testing.
That's exactly right. You can use a very small vial full of powder to deposit, and in addition, deposit many of them very quickly on a single build plate. So you can lay down a single track of each alloy composition on a single build plate. So when you do the full metallurgical analysis and characterization of those materials, they're all right there for you and have been deposited within minutes.
So one alloy at the beginning of my build result and gradient up to a different alloy by the end?
You could do it that way as well.
Sure.
For material development, you might be laying down a single track. So each track would be one material that you would then characterize and see if it meets the parameters that you were trying to achieve with it.
Yeah,
or you could use it for a gradient where you can use each of the hoppers for a particular alloy blend for a gradient strategy to transition from one material to another.
That's terrific. I can see why it won. I mean, that's a great idea. That's a great presentation. And
thank you.
Yeah. So you have a booth here?
We do. So we are in booth 441. Okay. So please come by and see what we do. Learn a little bit more about metal deposition and how you can use our equipment for additive, repair, cladding, and research applications.
That's terrific. And congratulations on behalf of America Makes. We're so proud to have you as a member and proud that you were the award winner this year. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Get over to see Formalloy at their booth here at Rapid plus TCT. Hey, we'll talk to you all later.